Now we continue with section 4 of the panel. Here we have the general view with the design information, and at the bottom, we'll find several important icons that control how the machine operates. Let's go through them step by step. Scissors icon. This button allows you to manually cut the thread. If you need to cut the lower thread or perform a manual trim, simply press the scissors icon and the machine will execute the cut automatically. This number indicates the needle position in degrees. If the power goes out or the machine loses synchronization, the needle may stop in an incorrect position. When you turn the machine back on, you may see an error indicating it is not at 100 degrees. Pantograph movement. On the right side, you'll find the controls to move the pantograph. When it turns red, it means the design is outside the safe embroidery area. In the center, you can choose the movement speed, fast or slow. Center design. This button automatically centers the design within the hoop area. Simply press it and confirm. There are two tracing options. This traces the entire design following its exact contour. It takes longer, but it is the safest option. This traces only the outermost points of the design, creating a rectangular movement. It is faster but less detailed. Selecting the hoop. One of the most important buttons is the hoop selection icon. Here you can select the type of hoop you're using: cap frame, rectangular hoops, or no frame, free mode. When you select it, the embroidery area will be displayed. Choose the correct hoop. Confirm with the check mark. This button allows you to program how the machine will operate. There are 3 modes: automatic mode, 2 needles and 2 arrows, and the letter A. The machine changes needles automatically and continues embroidering without stopping. This is the recommended mode. 2 needles, 1 arrow, and the letter A. The machine will change needles automatically, but after finishing each color, you must press Start for it to continue. Manual mode. 2 needles, 1 arrow, and the letter M. You must press Start to change needles and to begin embroidering each time. This mode is not recommended for continuous production. In this section, you can increase or decrease the machine's speed. This section allows you to control stitch movement. You can move forward or backward, 1 stitch at a time. Move forward or backward 10 stitches. Manually enter a specific number of stitches. The icons on the right perform the same function, but at a continuous and faster speed. Below these you can move 1 color forward, move 1 color backward. This button takes you directly to stitch 0. It resets the embroidery progress as if the design were new. Needle with end icon. This button moves the machine directly to the end of the design. Confirming the design. Once you have modified the design in section 2, programmed the colors in section 3, selected the correct hoop in section 4, verified the trace, you must confirm the design. Press the EMB confirmation button and accept. The design will appear on a gray background and the button will turn blue. Now the machine is ready to start embroidering, and with this we conclude section 4.